Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of Monero, that is XMR coin, Filecoin, that is FIL, Algorand, ALGO, XTZ and Near protocol. Before starting their technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of XMR against the USDC on 1 day time frame. So if we look at this kind, currently it is consolidating in this rising wedge formation, where the support of this wedge formation is at 206.80. That is the trend line support of this wedge formation, and the resistance of this wedge formation is around uh, 252. Currently, prices are moving at 209.40, and this level is very close to the support of this wedge formation, and that support level is the 206.80. So you can keep this coin in your watch list, and if you guys want to go for buying into this coin, you can go for buying into this coin if you get a buying price of 206.80, and after that your first target will be around 218 and final target will be around 231. But you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 206, because if it gives closing below 206 in upcoming days, it will simply break this wedge formation, and it will expose targets on downside, and we will see a huge sell off in this coin. So don't forget to put your stop loss below 206. The next coin is Filecoin. If we look at FIL against the USDC on the 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in a downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this triangle formation when it gave closing below 4.70 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 2.802, and that final target is already achieved in these candles. Currently, prices are moving at 3.050. So as this kind is moving in a downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this kind. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is a 3.935. So if you guys have bought this kind at high rates and you want to exit from this kind, so this kind might give you a chance to exit from this, and that exit point is also 3.935. So the next strategy in this kind will be sell on new breakdown, and it will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 2.497. I will share the levels on this channel when it will submit a new breakdown. So if you don't want to miss out those levels, don't forget to subscribe my this YouTube channel. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. The next coin is Algorand. Algo. So if we look at Algorand against USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is in a downtrend, and its prices are moving at 0.2172. So as this kind is moving in a downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this kind. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is 0.2901. So if you guys have bought this kind at high rates and now you are stuck into this kind, so this kind might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 0.2901. And the next strategy is a sell on new breakdown, and this coin will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 0.2191. Currently prices are moving below this breakdown level, that is 0.2172, but this candle is not completed yet. So we will so at this moment we cannot say that it has submitted a new breakdown, but if it will submit a new breakdown and it will give closing below 0.2173 in upcoming days, or even in this candle, it will submit levels on downside, and its prices will fall on downside, and where it first target will be at 0.1917, and its final target will be at 0.1637 on downside when it will give closing below 0.2191. So you can go for selling or short selling into this coin at this new breakdown level as well. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 0.2901. And if I tell you the levels of Filecoin, it will give the, as this kind of Filecoin is also moving in its downtrend. I have mentioned that I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend, and we will get initial confirmation in FIL against USDC on 1 day time frame in this coin that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation when it will give closing above 3.935. Before that, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. The next coin is XTZ. So if we look at XTZ against USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this triangle formation when it gave closing below 1.193 in this candle, and after that it exposed the final target of 0.742, and that final target has already been achieved in this candle. Currently prices are moving at 0.712. So as this kind is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this kind. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is a 0.977. So if you guys have bought this coin at high rates and now you are stuck into this coin, so this coin might give you a chance to exit from this, and that exit point is also 0.977. And the next strategy that we have to follow in this coin is a sell on new breakdown, and this coin will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 0.688. Currently prices are very close to this breakdown level, and they are moving at 0.712. So you can keep it in your watch list, and if it gives closing below 0.688, it will submit a new breakdown, and we can go for selling or short selling into this coin in upcoming days if it give closing below 0.688. So you need to keep this level in mind, that is 0.688, if you are going to plan trade in this coin in upcoming days. So when it will submit a new breakdown, it will expose further targets on downside, and I will share those targets on this YouTube channel. And if you don't want to miss those levels, simply subscribe my this YouTube channel. The next coin is Near Protocol, and the symbol is Near. I have opened this coin on 1 day time frame. If we discuss this coin is moving in its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation when it gave closing below 5.175 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 2.706, and that target has already been achieved in this big candle. Currently, prices are moving at 2.827. So as this kind is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this kind. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is 3.873. so if you guys have bought this kind at high rates and now you are stuck into this kind and you want to get exit from this kind, this kind might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 3.873. And the second study that we need to follow in this kind is a sell on new breakdown, and it will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 2.706. Currently prices are at 2.843. They are very close to this new breakdown level. So if it give closing below 2.706, it will simply submit a new breakdown, and it will expose targets on downside, where we will see a huge sell off in this coin in upcoming days if it submit a new breakdown and give closing below 2.706. And when it will submit a new breakdown, I will share the upcoming levels in this coin on my this YouTube channel. And if you don't want to miss those levels, don't forget to subscribe my this YouTube channel. So I have discussed all these coins on 1 day time frame. And if you want to get their alerts on smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30 minutes time frame, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description, where I keep on updating my community whenever I find a new opportunity, new breakout, or new breakdown in these coins. So for such kind of alerts on smaller time frame, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. So that's all for now. See you in next video.